Hey guys, today we're going to talk about how to turn on the Rex engine in emissions mode, or using it to charge the battery if necessary in an emergency situation. The main battery does need to be below 75% for this to work. The first thing you do is make sure the rear hatch is open, and once that's done, make sure that you want to push start stop and make sure the car is in park mode, which it is. Then hold the accelerator pedal down. Then tap on the brake pedal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. It says emissions mode is activated. And then with the brake pedal down, you can let off on the gas and then push the start stop. And you can see now that you can probably hear that the Rex engine has activated. And that's pretty much all there is to it. It will run, I think, for 10 to 20 minutes until the cycle is completed. So if you're hearing this strange sound, it's not necessarily the air conditioning compressor going out. It sounds like there's something that's caught in the fan for the Rex engine radiator in the back. So I've opened up the back access to the engine area, and here's the Rex fan from the back side. In the engine bay, and you can see there's some of the leaf debris that's been collected in the fan cage. So I think we'll have to use some tweezers and try to pull that out from this side and see if that stops the noise. All right, so we're going to test the Rex again after getting the leaves out of the cooling fan in the back. So I'm just going to turn it on. Range extender.
Range extender. Use the controller to proceed.
All right, so we're going to turn that on, and hopefully it will turn itself on here. So you can see we're not getting any fan noise at this point. So now the strange noise is gone once the leaf was removed. So that looks like that was indeed the problem with the strange sound. So problem fixed.